Because I'm about to be real hype. You know why? Because not only I load trucks, but I deliver your smiles. Like, you ever be at home and you ordering that food and you like, yo, where my food at? Yo, man, where the homie at? They need some delivery, man. They need to hurry up with my dasher. I got you. Place the order. It's going bing. Bing. I load trucks and I deliver. Yo, at the end of the day, sometimes when you got insomnia, you gotta make that shit.
Yeah, so, like, at this time, why don't we just keep it like this? Because this is how I'm feeling right now. That's why I haven't hit the road yet. Like, I just feel like talking a whole bunch of shit. Like, let me tell you about how, like, a few weeks ago, I had an interview. I didn't even go to the interview. Yet they gave me a job offer. I didn't accept it. They sent it to me again. So I would decide to be nice, and I was like, nah. Why? I want that motherfucking IT spot. Fuck that. I'm already in school for it. Give me that IT spot. I'm waiting for it. Watch. So, why am I telling you this? This is my 3rd year. So it's officially the longest job I had without getting fired. Just my longest job period. 3 years straight and running. What's up with it? This is the first year I've been on night shift. The very first time. And this is the second time I've gotten job offers. But it's just not the schedule and the position I wanted. I just wanted to see if the joint was promoting favoritism. That's all. I just wanted to see if it was promoting favoritism. I wanted to shoot my shot, because I'll tell you what, I definitely wasn't getting it during day shift. My forehead little as shit.
Just got done doing some deliveries. Hashtag delivering smiles. Well, I wasn't doing no deliveries. I was just loading up trucks. But you know how it is. Alright? I'm on live. Download the app. Place an order today. From 6 to 9. I might just be your dasher. I may be. Alright? Alright? That ain't it. I'm online. 5:30 to 6:30. What you want me to get you a cup of coffee? I got you. Caviar. Alright? What it takes to rock the mic. Make pickles down your way through the crib. Get folded down your way, got soldiers down your way. Rock the bells. All of y'all niggas on yourself. Go with the burner, nigga, make yourself. I come through with the hammer, make you